A few years ago, if you asked me to automate this conveyor, I would have started writing code immediately. It felt productive, but it would have also been the biggest mistake. What is this machine doing right now? Those all sound correct, but they can't be true. Because a real machine doesn't perform every behavior at the same time. At any instant, it's doing exactly one thing. So, instead of asking, right now it's moving, now it's paying attention, now it's sorting, now, interesting. I didn't invent those. I simply watched the machine long enough to notice them. There is nothing wrong with if statements. The problem is that they don't tell you what the machine is doing. Is the conveyor moving? Is it waiting? Is it sorting? The behavior exists, but it's buried inside hundreds of conditions. Why did organizing everything into states suddenly make the machine easier to understand? Because a state answers one simple question. Not what it could do, not what it might do, what it's actually doing. That single answer removes an incredible amount of confusion. If the conveyor is moving, should the diverter already be firing? Should the alarm be active? Should we be resetting counters? Every state quietly defines two things. The state isn't just describing the machine, it's protecting it. Once you start thinking this way, it's impossible to stop. You stop seeing machines, you start seeing behavior, and behavior naturally organizes itself into states. Something surprised me while building this project. I never sat down and designed a finite state machine. I simply kept asking one question. The states weren't invented, they were discovered. But even a perfectly designed state machine has one major weakness. What happens when the machine itself starts lying?